Hi guys, the Infinix Hot 6 is an entry-level smartphone from Infinix. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Infinix Hot 6 and checking out some of the key specs. Thank you. Welcome back to the unboxing video of the Infinix Hot 6. My name is Pascal Kafo from MediaTek.com. What I have now is the box of the Infinix Hot 6. You can see some of the key features there: a 4000 mAh battery, that's a 13 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. Now let's open up the box. You can see the 6-inch display there. It's a very massive display, but it has an 18:9 aspect ratio, which makes it look very compact. That's one of the advantages of that particular aspect ratio. So you can see the good build of the phone. We have here the black model here. Although this is an affordable smartphone, you can see how nice it actually looks. Now here you have the volume rocker and the SIM tray. If I turn the other side, you can see the power button and the microUSB card slot there. In the bottom here you have the speaker grill and the microUSB port, as well as the 3.5mm audio jack. So let's take a look at some of the other items inside the box right now. So here I have the box opened. You can see the cable, the micro USB cable for the charger. Then also you have the charger unit here. This is a fast charger actually. It can run between 100 volts and 240 volts. And the output is, as you can see there, 5 volts at up to 2 amps. So it's a pretty fast charger that can get your phone charged pretty fast. Then we have also something, you have the earpiece there. It looks quite good, and that is the SIM ejector pin. This is the warranty card, and then you have the manual. So that's the manual. You can also see the screen guard. Enough of the accessories. Now let's know a little bit more about the phone. It comes with 16 GB built-in storage. You have an option for the 2 GB as well. You also get 1 GB RAM with an option of 2 GB. The phone also comes with a quad-core processor, MediaTek MT6737. You also get 3G. So if you're looking for LTE, it is not available on this particular smartphone. So now let's turn it on and see it. So it runs Android Go Edition. This is actually Android 8.0 Oreo. So it's not the latest, but it is the one before the latest. So that's it. Let's see. It runs also the Infinix XOS Hummingbird. That is also the latest from Infinix. Now, so you can see how clean it looks. The screen looks bright. It's not too lukewarm if you look at it. So everything moves quite fast. Of course, it's new, so it doesn't have any legacy issues. Now you can see a lot of the Google apps already on it, so you can just go. You don't need to download much. Now, there is no internet right now, so we can't actually browse with it. Yeah, so that's a very good looking phone. You can see the rear facing fingerprint sensor on the back there for unlocking the phone. So it's a solid looking phone. You also get a 4000 mAh battery, which promises up to 2 days of use according to Infinix. So it's a solid smartphone, good battery life, so that's something to look forward to. So now let's take a bit more look at the software, so you can see how smoothly it can move. So that is our unboxing and brief specs. Let me just confirm the operating system, so you can see. So that's so you can see that's Oreo. So that's confirmed right there. So that's our unboxing of the Infinix Hot 6. It's one of the entry-level smartphones currently available for Infinix. So for more videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the dumbbell button for notification. Thanks for watching.